Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Canva design using the latest 2026 method. Whether you're cleaning up old projects or removing designs you no longer need, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Projects section in the left sidebar. If your design was created recently, you can also find it under Recent Designs on the home screen. Browse through your designs and find the one you want to delete. When you found it, move your mouse over the design thumbnail and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. A menu with several options will appear. Click Move to Trash or simply Trash, depending on the version of Canva you're using. If Canva asks you to confirm the action, click Move to Trash again. Your design will now be removed from your main projects area and placed in the trash folder. Keep in mind that moving a design to the trash does not permanently delete it right away. This is helpful if you accidentally delete the wrong design because you can restore it later if needed. If you're sure you no longer need the design, open the trash folder from the left sidebar. Find the same design, click the three-dot menu once again, and choose Delete Permanently. Confirm your choice when prompted. After that, the design will be permanently removed from your Canva account and cannot be recovered, and that's all there is to it. Now you know how to delete a Canva design using the latest Canva interface in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.